Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginners and intermediate learners. We read a story and the title is Oliver the Brave Owl. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, identify the vocabulary, and practice the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. In the heart of the whispering woods, under the glow of a silvery moon, lived Oliver, a small and curious owl with bright golden eyes. Unlike the other owls, who loved the safety of their tree hollows, Oliver dreamed of adventures beyond the treetops. Every night, Oliver listened to the rustling leaves and wondered what secrets the forests held. One day he whispered to himself, "I'll see the entire forest and beyond." One evening, as Oliver perched on the highest branch of his oak tree, a shooting star streaked across the sky. "That's a sign!" Oliver hooted excitedly. "Tonight is the night I'll explore." Oliver spread his wings wide and soared into the starry sky. Below him, the forest was a patchwork of silver streams, dark groves, and glowing mushrooms. First Oliver visited the meadow, where fireflies danced like tiny lanterns. "Hello, fireflies," he greeted. "Can you show me the way to the river?" The fireflies lit a golden path through the trees, leading Oliver to the shimmering river. There he met a family of frogs croaking a joyful melody. "Hello, frogs," Oliver called. "Have you seen anything amazing nearby?" A wise old frog leaped onto a lily pad and said, "Follow the river. You might find something magical." Curious, Oliver flew along the river. He spotted glowing fish swimming in the water and a family of beavers building a dam. Further downstream, the river led Oliver to a sparkling waterfall. Hidden behind the falling water was a cave that shimmered like diamonds. "I've never seen anything like this," Oliver hooted as he fluttered into the cave. Inside, he found walls covered in glowing crystals that bathed the cave in rainbow light. While exploring, Oliver noticed a faint whimper. "Who's there?" he called. Out of the shadows emerged a little hedgehog, trembling with fear. "I got lost trying to find my way home, the hedgehog sniffled. Oliver's heart swelled with kindness. Don't worry, he said. I'll help you find your way. Together they left the sparkling cave. The moonlight guided them as Oliver asked the hedgehog about its home. I live near a big, old tree with purple flowers, the hedgehog explained. Oliver nodded. I've seen that tree. Follow me. As they journeyed, they encountered a family of deer. Good evening, Oliver greeted. Have you seen a tree with purple flowers? The deer pointed the way with their gentle antlers. Oliver and the hedgehog thanked them and continued through the woods. Finally, they reached the tree with purple flowers. The hedgehog squealed with joy. That's my home! The hedgehog's family rushed out to greet him. Thank you for bringing our little one back, they said. Oliver smiled. It was my pleasure. As Oliver flew back to his oak tree, the first rays of sunlight painted the sky. He felt proud and happy. The forest is even more wonderful than I imagined, he thought. From that day on, Oliver became known as the brave owl of Whispering Woods, always ready to help and explore. And every time he looked at the stars, he dreamed of his next adventure. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.